Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to renew your old drink coasters with some paint and brushes. I had these seasonal drink coasters and it's time to give my coffee table a fresh spring look. So first of all, I removed the old paint using acetone and then spray painted the coasters. You can use oil paint or acrylic, both is fine. But the thing is that spray paint and oil paint is more durable. I will apply 2 coats of paint, leaving it outside for 1 hour after each coat is done. Actually, I'm really sorry that I couldn't record everything, but I'm going to use this metallic gold or acrylic paint to do some designs on the coaster. Just take your brush, make some lines, polka dots or geographical shapes just the way you like it. Be creative with it because why not? And art doesn't know any boundaries. I already did the first coat on the outlines. Using the same gold color, I will go over it once again to give it a pure finished look. I hope you like this project. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And comment below, share your ideas with me. Thank you so much for watching.